Bioasterix present a unique opportunity. We meet the demand for safer and plant-based chemistries. We make them affordable, available in larger quantities, and we plan to add new products at a steady pace, and several of these will be proprietary.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Itaconix Chief Technology Officer, Dr. Yvonne Durant. Yvonne, very good to speak with you. Tell us more about your background and your experience developing the Bioasterix line.
Certainly. Well, first off, thank you for having me on your platform. This is an exciting time for Itaconix and the launch of this new Bioasterix product line. For my professional background, I've been working on polymers on and off for the past many years, specifically developing polymers, emulsion polymers that we call latexes in this space. I work for BASF and Ron Poulenc. I also work in academia, both in France and in the US. In 2008, when John Shaw and I co-founded Itaconix, we immediately saw the potential for the itaconate esters. I've been working on and off for the past 20 years with these new monomers, and this is really the foundation of the Bioasterix product line, and I'm thrilled to see this coming to commerce.
So why did Itaconix decide to develop monomers and esters from itaconic acid, and what makes them so special?
Well, at Itaconix, we focus on safer, performance-driven product and sustainability. All of this together is the root of the vision of the company. Specifically, we combine itaconic acid that are plant-based material with alcohol that can also be plant-based, and together they make a pretty large technology platform. Itaconic acid monomers are really a new business vertical opportunity for the company. Some of these monomers are comparable to butyl acrylate and Styrenix, but they're safer, specifically in regard to potential inhalation and skin contact. Additionally, we leverage the fact that we're using plant-based carbon, which are biogenic carbons.
Can you explain a little bit more about what these products accomplish and their applications?
So yes, in layman's term, what we make are polymers. They are really necklaces that are connected with beads. So the beads are the monomers. We also call them building blocks. These polymers then can be formulated into paints, coatings, and adhesives for their applications. And our monomers really have the specific of low odor. They improve safety, both for the workers, but also for the environment.
And what makes now the right time to bring Bioasterix products to market?
Well, certainly in recent years, we've received an increased interest from existing customers and prospective customers. We see a specific interest in plant-based carbon, and there's a continuous demand for safer and more affordable chemistries. We also have recently secured a patent on one of our new monomers, and over the 20 years of work in this space, we've built a significant knowledge on how to incorporate these compounds into applications such as paint.
Yvonne, how can people learn more about Bioasterix and order products?
Well, the best place is to go on our bioasterix.com website. This is really a new launch e-commerce site. This is the first time we get into e-commerce. This is exciting for us to approach the market directly. People are going to be able to buy research quantities, both on academy side and the industrial side of research, and buy small quantities to meet their initial demands.
I mean, shifting gears to the market, what does Itaconix see as the market's opportunity for Bioasterix products?
Sterix present a unique opportunity. We meet the demand for safer and plant-based chemistries. We make them affordable, available in larger quantities, and we plan to add new products at a steady pace, and several of these will be proprietary.
And how do you see that opportunity and demand developing, Yvonne?
Well, Itaconix has developed an interesting, rigorous business process on how to bring products to market. So Bioasterix is in the early stage of what we call the ignition phase. We're going to be finding our initial customers. We'll be confirming value in the marketplace. This phase can take 3 to 5 years. From there, we'll be moving into our traction phase and then our takeoff phase. It's exciting that we've already seen some interest through our new e-commerce platform. We've already received orders, and all of this is really indicating great future growth for the company.
Well, Yvonne, I hope you'll keep us updated on your progress with BioAsterix. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
My pleasure.
That's Itaconix Chief Technology Officer, Dr. Yvonne Durant.